Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Hatu pikwa baki janjong pikin kuit ha penat kam da ka Oswell Soup hilaban yo na barok kidukan
ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore kadai ke college babhatam nagabanta ka jingkuli nursing but paramedical course hospital training hinyo scholarship but 6% ka kam haki hospital bahedo India but shabari na banta ka jingkuli ka jingseo ka paret but hila ban legu ban kuli da ka education loan hila ruban chukola ho number khandai nyo saw san riu pranot lani khandai pran riu license ar riwe khandai pra
Kumshibanta ka jingrakhi ya ka International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking arazar arpulai ka Tnat Social Welfare jong ka Sarkar Jilla harangkat ka jingatray langbat ka Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment ka Sarkar India lambat ka District Sports Office nongpo haka arpunrutrik ujaliw arazar arpulai kila pelong da ka jingmare marathon ka basan kilometer ya ka balasdang na Saiden Indoor Stadium balapun pat ha District NSCA Indoor Stadium Langkadan. Hadin kani la pelong pat saya jingalang ha District Library Auditorium Hall Nongpo balai shimentalang daw MLA ka Nongpo constituency uba Miral Bonds uba longkum ukongsan ha kani kasengi rengkat kajing sakilang jong Assistant Commissioner u Dr. Abhishek Saini u Deputy Superintendent of Police ka Police Headquarter uba S Paslen ka District Social Welfare Officer ka Kong E Kharshandi u Divisional Commandant jong ka Tnat Home Guard and Civil Defence uba PH Ïalap kiwe Shwaban pinkut ya kani ka jingalang la samru ki kusnam shaki nongjom ha ka jingakop ba per bakunthop ha ka marathon ha ka jingakop tho essay ha ka jingakop tho slogan ha ka jingakop drawdur but ha ka jingakop airong
I'd like to request Madam E. Khachandi to please brief them. Like to say to all the youth that drugs are something that are destroying our young generation, and with this marathon you are giving this message of fitness, and when you say no to drugs you are fit, you are healthy, and you achieve more in life.
But kumbat penting bagi ka department jungi kadai kawin na ki stakeholder dan ya kawin na ki Tnat ki matrikam ban pentrikam ya ka policy jo ka maghalia drugs abuse policy arajar arpo ban habangi sim ya kani kadin kor ngim kwa ban lon tang ka kerteng aka kot sada ndengi kwa ban peni da ka kamro ban ka kam jungi galong kumne abangi sedang ban Ïalap Pyrshah shwa Pyrshah you drugs
man la usnem akun riu tarik jok ubnai jun ni ju rakhi yang ni kasni kerpang bangin kin mau ba ngin ya yang Pyrshah ya ka jing di drugs bat ya ka jing khai tu ya uni kini ki jing di kiba penbuat bat ka bakta ya ka imlang ka salam ka jongi kam kta tam yu tu nong di henrai u drugs u kta le ya baro kiba ya don lang ha ka imlang ka salam la don tam uai hayi yang uba buat kerni ha ka jing di drugs kap no ka kta dori ya kiba yang basam kap no ka pen kuslai ki kimi ki pa nolor kata ru wat ki marjan ki marpa ayem hasan nang ta ke imlang ka salam ni lada dan tam uwe dan kum kata jing nalien ke basnio kap no ngiling an bisa wat iyo i kap no ki jing snio ija lada ki dan kum kita ki jing snio
tak santua giat mah ale di student ru kila banang join industry
di Ribhoi dan Ïalap ini di government run rehab center di Bteng, tidak di private owned, kita di siu kan, nak try si penai tak siu, si pengajar ni asal negara si penai tak siu, kita ni betul ini orang kalau orang besut, dan mari kita kalah, kita begini ada, ini kalau kita ban nongong, kita langok dulu, ban penduk umur suki, jadi keren di asal komisioner ini. Dr. Saini, you have said a very valid point with regards to how to cure the drug addict. It is not easy for the one who have already addicted drugs. Slowly, this is a gradual process. Kesan lah, ban tentu. Yang no drug addict apabila set kerana mereka apabila ki la Pyrshah ban sumar itu tidak aja drug ban suki ban pembelian kita bisa beli makan jah. No, doctor, it's like that. No? Suddenly you cannot stop because it will affect the body. Physically, it is not right. Slowly and gradually. Kini kam juga pun kam hatu kata-kata kini kita, kini jelut, kini kita, karya jadi pun salah itu. It is a time that we have to work together. It is a time that we have to put our heads together. The law enforcing agency like the police, I would like to place on record my sincere thanks for the dedication to be very prompt in taking action against the drug supplier, the drug peddler, and we have heard from the DSP that even yesterday also they have not the culprit. And in the past also we have seen that police in Ribhoi district, police in East Giant district, police in East Khasirin district and other district of the state. They have tried their level best. But penduk yung drugs, but kem miginong ni drugs, but kem miginong ni drugs, kamkut tang bagi trade police but society there. Kapukong san ke dia jadi trelang jong kinong functional background. Di dor barstong, di senglong kemi, di sensangla, di VDP, but with NGO, di civil society, bangin dan ke dia jadi trelang.
Today we are united to take a pledge under the Nasha Mukt Bharat Abhiyan to make not only our community, families, friends, but ourselves.
What drugs do to you is more clear when you see the withdrawal symptoms. Withdrawal symptoms means that you are so much dependent on the drugs that if you do not take the drug for 1 or 2 days, you have that much bad physical condition and craving that in extreme cases person might lose his life also. So that is the first thing you should remember, that drugs might seem okay till the time you are taking them, but the moment you do not get the drug supply, you do not get it, it really harms your body, and that is how drugs affect badly. Second is not just the physical aspect but also the psychological aspect. Because your dependency is so much, a person who is a drug addict will think about drugs all the time. He will not be able to focus on his or her job, productivity will go, economic activity will go, and not only him but his whole family will suffer.
CBR in the from NECS secondary school. Please come upon stage. Aham then. Please come upon stage.